Hi, this is Jay Jennings with Headliner, and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at resources. These are the things that give you all the cool info like books and videos and DVDs and other things. Adding a resource is very easy, of course. Click the Add Resource button. Only two things are required: what type of resource it is, and then the title. There's also other information you can enter in here. Most of the time, I put in the location because if I'm wanting to find this book called Testing This, I want to know where it is. When you've entered as much information as you want about it, you can click Save Resource or Save and Add Another, which will save this, clear all the fields, and let you start again. That way, if you've got 5 or 10 books that you're wanting to put in here, it's much faster. Once you have your resources in here, you can connect those to different effects or props. For example, carnivoracious is one of my routines that I really love to do. And I'm going to link a resource to it. And that resource is The Anywhere Act by Mark Paul. And I'm going to add this little note to it based on emotions, which is one of the effects in that video. And I do happen to know that it is at about the 44-minute mark. Hit the link resource button, and now this is down here.